Hello, welcome back to another Just Barney video. I'm Just Barney. Hello, how are you doing? In this episode, what are we at today? Well, I'm going topping right now, but the last few days we were working on this tractor. The hole in the stud came out of the manifold. I'm going to let past Barney explain it better. So I'm going to put you on to him now. Thanks, future Barney. So what happened was this nut in here, this stud was out, and it was, you could hear it on the exhaust, but it was this one, so we had to take the whole exhaust off. And then when we got to that stage, this exhaust wouldn't come off this, so we ended up just pulling out the 4 bolts for the whole carrier and just took the whole exhaust off. And then while we were in there, put that back in. It was actually pretty handy. This was the easiest part to get out. We didn't have to weld anything. It was put a left-handed drill bit in, drilled it in, caught on it, and then we got a stud extractor on it and I pulled it out, no hassle. That was the easiest part of the whole process, which we thought was going to be a nightmare. And then, while we were this far, we noticed that the fan belt, which you can't see, this side was half worn and there was no AC belt off it. It broke at the corn and we just took it off and left it. So we put those 2 back on and it's back dirty as ever. So have to do more topping, so we'll go and do that now. Back to future Barney. Also, here's the stud that came out of the case. So, and the drew and drilled a hole into the center there, and then with an easy tap got it out, and it came out perfectly. So, yes. Thanks, past Barney. Funny for you. So yeah, don't really know where this video is going. I'm going topping. It's on the top of paddock. It's horses on it and stuff. So it's fairly dirty, but so it needs to be topped. And we might take out the combine. I don't know. Probably will. It's getting to that time of year. The barley is coming in hot. And there's the barley coming in hot. So yeah, look, we'll see where this video goes and see where the day takes us, because I don't know what's going on. So here's the spot. Yeah, hopefully there's nothing in this. I'm praying there's no blocks or something, because it is bad. But we'll go at it. Slowly engage the shaft. Perfecto. Oh, look at the stones, but not a chance to come up. Oh, thank you. So that's that top. Yeah, it was fine. Just whatever. Yeah, on to the next thing. Hello and welcome back. Today's Monday. Sort of routing, what were we at? We were routing at the combine. We changed the oil in it, engine oil in it, and changed the engine oil filters on Saturday. Then one of the batteries was running, and then last year wasn't holding the charge again, so we got that replaced this morning. And yeah, I'm going to mow the second cut, our second cut tillage, because it's needed. Well, the weather's half with us, so we may as well take it while we get the chance. And the corn is coming in quick, so like, don't want all of that in 1 week, so we said we'd go and cut it today. So yeah, we'll go and do a bit of that.
Because I love the bass, just like I love all the So it's the next morning. Good morning. It's Tuesday. Just rooting at these cattle. There's a few of them to come out of it. So we're going to do that now. They're hungry for grass too. So oh. They'll not be long coming out here. Come on! Come on! Come on up! Come on! Just wait till they all gather. Come on! Yes, very good. This is bunk, by the way. She just came like that. Hopefully you can see. Come on! Just waiting for a few to come closer because I'm not in the mood to run after them. Call them! Hen is up there too. Wow. Come on up. Come on up. Up, up, up. And as simple as that, that's how you get cattle out. I spoke too soon. Go on up. Come on up. Up, up, up. Don't even think about it. Why are you being awkward? Get up. Don't. Get up. Go on up. That was close. Come on up. Nah. That's one 20-acre field done. 20 acres? 10 acres. The other 10 is here. I'm about to mow it now. Yeah, so I mowed another 2 acres this morning that we were going to keep for the cattle, but we don't really need the grass for the cattle, so we just said we'd mow it and lift it now with this. Don't know if we probably will end up going baling the rest of the bit I mowed yesterday. It's another 20 acres, so it's all being it's all being drew in to the yard or to the field beside it, so it's not as if it's a long draw or any of that. And like this piece, which is a bit of a nightmare, so I'm gonna go mowing the rest of this and talk you off it. Done. Mowing is done. I was mowing another paddock for 2 paddocks for dairy farmer. Just had a bit of extra grass, so I'm just putting on the trailer. The lads are leaving now to wrap and bale, and I'm going to stack in that yoke. Animal of a yoke. Yeah, I might get a bit of drone footage, who knows. Take it as it comes. So the lads are baling and wrapping away, and I'm away to get my 20. I'm away to get my 20. Start drawing them in to the pad we have over here. Yeah. Press on, baby. Tractor required. Andale! that's all the bales in for today. So there was 157 on it. Grand for second cut, because the first cut of the same two fields was 159. So all good. Well, it's the next day, and yeah, I'm going to put on the loader now and the rake, and rake the second bit, and then start on in the bales, and just gonna just start baling. So yeah. Raking done, and that is baling away here, no bother. I'll show you now. Oh, never mind. So that's all done. Finally It was a long day in this field. There was 210 on it. These are the last 10. I've done 10 loads of this, an hour a load. So it's 20 past 9. I want to go home. I've been in this field since 9:30 this morning. I raked it and I came back and started. I'm just giving out. But yeah, second cut done. Wow. Another 367 bales then. It was 157 yesterday and 210 today. So not a bad second cut. And we'll probably go again because you can't have enough grass. So yeah. that's the last 2 bales. So they're all in there, and that'll do for today. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, like or whatever, subscribe and all that crack, and hopefully you get your second cut in too. Good luck.